Welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money with PowerPoint and Google Slide. In this method that you can make up to $100 per day, and this method works worldwide and anyone can do it and doesn't require any investment. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day, and also I try to do a competition giveaway every single week. So watch the video and to get more information. Basically, PowerPoint and Google Slides are same. If you have a Windows or Microsoft in your computer, that you have a PowerPoint. If you don't have one, you can use Google Slide, which is completely free. So both tools have the same tools, so you don't have to worry about that. So we're going to apply the same method in both tools. First, what you have to do, you have to come up with a product or niche to promote. Okay, so you need to think about the product and do a little bit of research on Google and find a Google trend and find if there is an people are searching for it online. After that, what you have to do, you have to go to website like OfferVault to search the product and find an affiliate network that's gonna pay you to promote the product. So in this case, weight loss is a common niche. So if I search that, these are the couple of products that you can promote and earn money. So this is the first product, and if you promote this, if the buyer, one of them buy this product, and you can make $100 for that. So you can see there's you come up with a niche, you find the offer on OfferVault, and you also find a network that's going to pay you. So all you have to do is you have to click this one called join network, and you can register for the account, get absolute account. Most of them are absolute account within a couple of minutes. So get into that account and get your affiliate link to promote. This is our first method. Second method, what you have to do again is just go to Google and search for the information. Like in this case, it's a weight loss. So I went to Google and searched for how to lose weight fast. These are some bunch of articles people read about weight loss. So you can say 12 tips or how to lose weight in fast, 9 scientific ways, so something like that. So what you have to do, open a couple of these articles, then go to Google and type Google Slides. In this case, I'm using Google Slides. PowerPoint is the same thing. After it open, what you have to do, you have to give a basic title for your presentation. In this case, like how to lose weight fast. After that, what you do, copy and paste method, guys. Just copy these informations. Don't exactly copy the same thing, like here those are reference and everything. Don't do that. Just copy the title and make them bullet points, because it's a PowerPoint presentation. We don't want a bunch of paragraph on the presentation. Just bullet point is fine. So you can do like a 10 ways to lose weight, something like that. Okay, after you did that, you can upload to this website. I already spoken about this website in my videos. This website is called SlideShare, where you can upload it and you can earn money. So in this way, I'm going to show you everything, so watch the video carefully now. So if you go to SlideShare and type weight loss, you can see there's a bunch of people upload a presentation like this one. So this presentation, this slide had around 16 slides, this PowerPoint, and you can see they already talk about weight loss, right? So 16 slides, they already talk about the ways to lose weight, the food that you eat. So if you fast forward end, that you can see they didn't use this free traffic wisely. That you can see end of the slides, you can put, if you want to lose fast, download this or buy this program that you can do it from your home and you can lose weight loss, something like that, right? So you can put the link on here. Also, you can put the link as a first sentence on the description. So it's similar to YouTube, you can see like that. So whenever people read the slide, they come down the bottom, see the description, so they can click the link and they can go and buy your affiliate product. Now what you have to do, once you create your slide on Google Slide, go to file, or you can first change the color of the background. So it's white, you can change any color that you want. After that, what you do, go to file section here and click download, and you can download in PowerPoint. Once you download that, so if you click this, you can see it will download in PowerPoint. Then you go to SlideShare, click upload, and upload that PowerPoint presentation. Give a title, a very good title, like a weight 15 ways to lose weight fast 2020 or 2021, something like that. Give a description, put your affiliate link on the description. After that, leave it there. You can see these articles are here for forever. So whenever the people come, they read your article, they click the link, they will buy your product. And if you're able to bring 10 people and 1 people buy your affiliate product, then you're gonna make $100 for that. And remember that it won't happen in overnight. If you're able to make these 5 slides per day, so 5 articles, 5 different affiliate offers, 5 different payment amount, guys, you upload it on SlideShare. Again, if you can able to make 5 per day, and it won't require many hours to do that, you can make these slides within 20 to 30 minutes. What you do, upload it in SlideShare. Keep doing for 1 month, see it for 30 days for uploading 5 articles per day. So that's around 150 articles that you uploaded in a variable niche, variable affiliate offers, and they pay you different amount. Leave it there. Then when it's turned to the SEO of SlideShare, if your article come in front of other people articles, or if your PowerPoint or if your slides come in front of other people, and you're gonna bring you're gonna take most of the traffic from SlideShare, they will click the link, they will go to buy an affiliate offers, and you make money. This is one way that you can do it with the PowerPoint. So basically, create the PowerPoint on affiliate product that you want to put your affiliate link, upload it in the SlideShare, and leave it there. So you can generate views every single day, month, and years later, and you can make money out of. Also, one other good thing about this, these affiliate links are forever. So once that you generate this affiliate link, that's unique, and is it for you, and is it for forever. So even though 2 years or 3 years later people click and buy this affiliate, if this website alive and they buy the product, and you make money out of it, guys. This is one way that you can use Google Slides or PowerPoint to make money online. I think it's the best way, and it's work worldwide. Anyone can do it, and try it out. Try it for 30 days, see what happens if you're able to bring any results. So say I only upload 2 articles on my SlideShare account. I already have a 7 views organically. I didn't do any promotion, I didn't do anything. I have a 7 views, total views with the 2 articles I upload. I didn't do anything, guys. So this is how we're gonna do it. Again, it won't work overnight. You have to keep doing it until one day you generate a passive income through this method, guys. I hope you understand, guys, and if you leave a like and share this video, guys, and also I'm gonna announce another giveaway on next week, probably on Monday on 16th. So watch that. For that what you have to do is subscribe and press the bell icon, so you will get notified when I do those things, guys. And under that, have a good day. See you in next videos.